What if a tree could listen to your silence, breathe with you through the night, and anchor your mind to the memory of who you were before the noise began? Peepal is no ordinary fig tree. Its roots stretch not only into the earth, but into scripture, meditation, and spiritual history. It is under a peepal tree that Siddhartha Gautama became the Buddha. In the Bhagavad Gita, Lord Krishna says, "Among trees, I am the Ashvatha." In Sanskrit, Ashvatha means that which does not remain the same even for a moment, a reference to impermanence, change, and cosmic time flow. Scientifically, it belongs to the Moraceae family. It's known for its aerial roots, clock-like circadian rhythm, and most fascinating of all, it produces oxygen even at night, a botanical rarity. In a future where, urban stress disorders really dominate humanity, artificial intelligence will play a key role in healing. But what if AI didn't just treat humans, but actually learned from Peepal? Here's how AI can decode Peepal's intelligence. First, AI-assisted oxygen mapping. We can use satellite and IoT sensors to track how Peepal increases oxygen saturation in polluted zones, and even predict urban impact from planting Peepal corridors. The outcome? AI-guided green city planning. Next, neural simulation models. By training AI on how Peepal reduces stress markers in human subjects, and matching biofeedback data to neural resilience patterns, we can develop Peepal-based neurotherapy protocols. Then, quantum field interaction. AI could model the leaf vibration of Peepal as a frequency modulator and use this for AI-generated plant-based sound therapies, or maybe even virtual Peepal meditation programs. The result is, AI-powered digital Peepal healing chambers. And finally, karmic breath models. By integrating Ayurvedic dosha types, breath cycles, and Peepal effects, AI could personalize tree prescriptions based on karmic and psychological imprints. The outcome here? AI plant consciousness interfaces. In ancient yogic texts, the Ashvatha tree is actually described as inverted, with its roots above and branches below. It symbolizes the unseen karmic past, those roots you cannot see, but which honestly shape your life. Peepal helps dissolve ancestral grief, restless karmic breath, and subconscious time loops. Many meditators report lucid dreaming, past life visions, and serotonin dreams after sitting under a peepal tree. It's not fantasy. It's a deep memory download from a living time server. Peepal is used in Pitru rituals to honor ancestors in Buddhist Vipassana meditations during Ekadashi fasts and for yogic dream cleansing. Lighting diyas beneath Peepal is a way to seek forgiveness and resolution. Even circling the peepal tree 108 times is said to dissolve karmic entanglements. It acts as a chakra alignment portal, especially between Anahata, the heart, and Ajna, the third eye. Sit under Peepal before 8 in the morning to align your circadian breath and vagus nerve. Use Peepal bark powder for respiratory healing and to ignite your gut fire, or Agni. Meditate with its leaf in your hand. It enhances clarity and memory recall. And if you sleep near a Peepal bonsai in open air, it can help bring lucid dreams and deeper sleep. Peepal doesn't just give oxygen, it gives truth. Truth about yourself, your timing, and your unfinished healing cycles. Watch the full series on Professor Diaries. Support this mission. Shop using the bag icon. Tap membership for early access and conscious tech insights. Contact us. Official email in channel description. For brand partnerships and promotion, connect via the official email listed on the channel. If you found value in this video, please like, share, comment, and subscribe to Professor Diaries, and hit the bell icon for new insights daily. This is Professor Diaries signing off. Stay tuned, stay curious. Until next time, goodbye and take care. Peepal doesn't move, but it lives beyond motion. It doesn't speak, but it remembers everything. And in a world where we rush toward the future, Peepal waits patiently in the breath, reminding us that true wisdom is not in running forward, but in sitting still and breathing with time itself.